All right, people, we're going to have a little quizercise on ionic and covalently bonded substances. Right here we have a mystery white powder. You don't know what it is, so I'm going to put it in my test tube holder. I'm going to hold my test tube holder over here. And I'm going to ask you some questions about it. Here we go. All right, here we go. I'm going to take this white powder and put it on this flame. All right, we're waiting. This substance is not melting. So question number one, is this powder an ionic or covalently bonded compound? That's question number one. Okay, obviously it's ionic, it didn't melt. Question number two, if I pour it into this water, will it dissolve and conduct electricity? And the way we will know that is it will turn on the radio. So will this powder that did not melt, will it turn on the radio? Here we go. Oops. Guess you have your answer. Okay, now we have a different powder. Here is the formula for our new powder, okay? Tell me first, do you think if this is ionic or covalent? All right, the answer is covalent. This does not cross the stairs. The H doesn't count. This is sugar. Okay, this is a sugar. This is a sugar, people. So now we're going to test it out. Test number one. Here is the sugar. Do you believe that this will turn the radio on when I pour it in the water? Will this dissolve and then conduct electricity? It's sugar. So yes or no? All right. Well, I hope you chose no. Let's try something else with the sugar. Do you think the sugar is going to melt? Yes or no? Let's find out. Absolutely. Now I'm going to ask you a question. Can you name two signs that a chemical reaction is occurring here? Not just melting. Yes, it did melt, but there's also a chemical reaction. Can you give me two indicators of a chemical reaction? And this smells like marshmallows. It's awesome. Here's our last compound. NaHCO3. Is this ionic or covalent? It's ionic. How do you know this is an ionic substance? That's right. It crosses the stairs. Sodium is on the left side of the stairs, while carbon and oxygen are on the right side of the stairs. Remember, H doesn't count. It acts like that on the right side too. So sodium's on the left. These guys are on the right. It crosses the stairs. All right. Let's try some sodium bicarbonate and let's see what it will do. First thing, I'm going to try to melt it. Is this going to melt? Yes or no? Correct. It is not going to melt. It crosses the stairs. It's ionic. Last question. Will this turn on the radio? Here we go. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.